Hi guys, today we're going to go over the quiz I just assigned you guys about sound. You guys should have watched the video before you took this quiz. So let's go through and see how well everyone did. Okay, great job. Question number 1 was, which state of matter does sound travel through? And Celine, you got all matters, all the states of matter. So I'm going to give you full points. Kelsey, you were missing 2 states of matter. I'm going to give you half a point. You guys were supposed to draw what you think a sound wave would look like if you saw it. Great job. I love you guys' pictures. Celine, you did a really good job. I'm going to give you all your points. Same goes for you, Kelsey. Now on question 3, we were supposed to look at the picture of the guitar and determine which string was the lowest frequency. You guys both got that question correct. You guys got full points. Now we're going to question number 4. And the question was, does sound travel in a vacuum? You guys both got it correct. It is false. Sound does not travel in a vacuum. Let's go to question number 5. Question number 5 was a little tricky. What is frequency was the question. And Celine, you said how close the sound is. And Kelsey, you said a pitch of the sound. And the frequency is the way you measure the sound. So, Celine, I'm going to give you half points because you're kind of close. Just need a little bit more help. You can go over this more in class. And this is, I'm going to give you half a point, Kelsey, because this is kind of correct, but you're not quite there. Let's go to question number 6. Question number 6 was, what sound frequency is audible to the human ear? And the answer was 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Anything above or below you cannot hear. So you got it correct. Celine, Kelsey, you missed the first half of it, so I'm going to give you half a point. Now let's go to question number 7. The 7 is the loudness of a sound measured in volume? The answer is true. Celine, your answer is wrong. We'll go back over this in class. And Kelsey, you got full points. Now let's go to the last question, question number 8. The question was what is volume measured as? And you guys are both correct. It is measured in decibels. I'm going to give you guys full points. So now we can go back and when we get back to class and go over all the questions that we have missed and hopefully get them right next time.